absolutely packed, wall-to-wall people, difficult for any people to pass anymore. The center of the Strip is still open for police officers.
Yeah.
We haven't seen a whole lot of activity. That's good news.
Their presence is always there, though. It's amazing. Anytime there is any sign of trouble, I remember it was just a couple of years ago when we saw a domestic dispute, and instantly the Metro Police were there.
Safe night on New Year's Eve here in Las Vegas so far. We're minutes away from the fireworks. Maria Silva is minutes away as well. She's down at the Venetian. Good evening, Maria.
Hi, Beth and Kendall. I'm just having such a wonderful time with some of my closest friends. Check that out. Isn't that a beautiful shot? If we can see over that bridge, we have people just lining up ready for that fireworks display. The Venetian, one of 7 locations where you will be seeing those fireworks being launched from. Again, I'm just having such a wonderful time. I feel really just blessed to be here again, getting the red carpet treatment here. We were able to talk, well, not talk to, but interact. How about that with the Blue Man Group? Also, Gordy Brown, what a great guy he is. I also spoke to Lionel Richie earlier on off camera. He was just an amazing guy. We've also spoke to the owners of Tao, the party going on. I can hear the music going on right now. My friends from Tao over there. Hi, guys. Woo! Happy New Year. Just having a good time. Can't wait to go up there and dance the night away. But again, it's just been wonderful. Our friends from Aquanox, who are just great. Chef Tom and Mario, everybody's just been amazing, as well as Mindy and Dawn, who just coordinated everything and helped us out. So again, having a blast here with all my friends, right? Happy New Year. Let's hear it. Just waiting down for that countdown. We're going to send it over back to Beth and Kendall.
Yep.
We have had a few test shots fired off tonight. Twice it's happened, and both times, you know, just a little poof in the air. The crowd went crazy.
Yeah.
They're ready.
Yeah, I think they've gotten wise to it over the years, though.
Yeah.
When this first started, when we were first out here, they would do the test fireworks, and everybody would go crazy and start welcoming in the new year, even though we were 10 or 15 minutes shy of it.
Right.
So I think this time they are wise to it. I don't see any countdowns on billboards yet, and sometimes when we get within 1 minute, and we're closing in on that now, you start to see it up on the billboards and the marquees around the Strip.
The fireworks show will be set to the music of 007 from some of the 007 films throughout the years. It's called Casino Royale 2007 this year. They're telling us to watch for some new things this year, a silver grand finale and some pastel fireworks, which you don't typically see. That should be fun.
Always fun to watch that, and you are in a good spot to watch it, as we have cameras all over the place to cover this from every angle. Tom Hawley's up in Sky 3, and we always sort of envy him, because what a view that must be, flying above the Strip.
Yeah, I think one of these years we need to swap places with Tom.
Yeah.
See if we can do that. The crowd is packed here on Las Vegas Boulevard. Fremont Street is packed as well, and they'll be broadcasting the fireworks show on the big tunnel downtown in Fremont Street, so they're going to get to see some pyrotechnics as well.
And when it's all said and done, and what's amazing about it, as we're now 40 some odd seconds away, what's amazing about it is about an hour from now, it's going to look like this didn't happen. Maybe even 2 hours. It clears out so quickly, and the cleanup begins almost instantly. 30 seconds away now from the year 2007.
It has been a phenomenal year. Our coverage is going to stay until 12:30 tonight. You can see now on the big screens, the countdowns are on. 22, 21, 20.
Our clock and the Marquise clock are a little off, and I believe ours is right on, as we are 10 seconds away from the year 2007.
Here we go. Happy New Year, everyone.
We'll talk to you on the other side of this fireworks show. Enjoy.
like it's going to be a great new year.
Have a safe New Year's from 97.1 The Point, #1 for classic rock.